One is removal of unit productions, and second one is removal of epsilon or null productions from the grammar. And the third method is removal of useless symbols from the grammar. Further, so these are the two productions. So first check if these productions are having any useless symbols or not. So when can we say that one symbol is useless? So I will tell you with this example. So see this. Say suppose I have production like this. S derives AB, A derives A. General example. Okay. So there is no production with B. So in this case, can I get string of terminals from this grammar? No, because there is no production with B. So let us draw tree for this. AB and A derives A. So how to terminate this? There is no way to terminate this B. So such type of productions we call them as, such type of symbols we call them as useless symbols which cannot be terminated. Okay, so we cannot get string of terminals from such type of grammars. So we need to remove those terminals. Okay, and if that terminal which is not generating any, if that not terminal which is not generating any terminal symbol, we are calling that as useless symbol. If that is associated with another production or another non-terminal, even though this non-terminal A is deriving this terminal, since this useless symbol is associated with this non-terminal A, this complete production is considered as useless production. Okay, so we'll see this with example. So this is a general example. Now we'll solve these two problems. Okay, so check this one. S derives A1. Let us draw a tree for this. S derives A1, 0, D, and S derives 1A. So this A can be terminated. Fine. So now we got strings as 1 for this. Now see this part. S derives A1, 0, D. Okay. A derives 1. And these are already terminals. Now check this D. D is deriving non-terminals. So from this we'll get DD. Okay. Again from this DD. Like that. There is no terminating point here. Okay. It just goes on repeating, or the same procedure will be repeated multiple number of times, but we can't terminate it. So such type of symbols, they are called as useless symbols. So here D is a useless symbol as we cannot terminate that with any terminal symbol. And now check if start symbol contains this useless symbol. Yes, start symbol, start production contains useless symbol. So this is associated with the rest of the symbols. So even though A terminates or A produces terminal symbol, as D is associated with this A, this complete production becomes useless production. Okay. So now the grammar obtained after removing this useless productions are, or useless symbol is, so we need to remove this part. So we'll get S derives 1A. Next, S derives here also again 1D. So D is a useless symbol. So you need to remove this also. So we'll get S derives 1, 0, A derives 1. So this is a final grammar obtained after removing useless symbol. So you can observe length of the grammar is now reduced. Similarly, take the second case. S derives AB, draw tree AB. A is deriving AA, and it is also deriving terminal symbol. So now this part is terminated. Okay, we have terminals here. Now check this B. So B is not producing any terminal symbol here. So B can be written as BB. Again this B can be written as BB and so on. Okay. There is no termination point for B in this case. So this is considered, this B is a useless symbol. Okay, this B is useless and this production can be removed from the grammar. Now check whether this B is present in the start production. Yes, B is present here. So as B is associated with A, this complete production also becomes useless. This is also a useless production. So remove these two and the grammar obtained from this is, after removing useless symbols, we'll get only A derives AA or A. Fine. So this is a procedure for solving or for removing useless symbols from the grammar. So what is step 1? First you must check whether the tree can be terminated or whether there is any termination or whether we can generate terminals from the non-terminal symbols. If we are unable to generate terminals from this non-terminals, then that production is considered to be useless production and that symbol is a useless symbol. After this, so you'll remove that, and then you need to check whether that production or that symbol is present in the start production. So if it exists in the start production, as it is associated with other symbol, even that symbol also becomes useless and we need to remove that complete production. So after removing both the productions, leftover production becomes your new grammar. Okay.